Thanks for joining us late this Wednesday morning with the latest on Tropical Storm Melissa, which is drifting very slowly to the west-northwest across the central Caribbean Sea this morning. The system has not strengthened a lot since yesterday. Maximum sustained winds based on data from the Hurricane Hunter aircraft up to about 50 miles per hour. And again, the system has slowed down very dramatically now, just moving west-northwest at 2. The center located roughly about 300 miles to the south-southwest of Port-au-Prince, Haiti. You can see some of the outer rain bands on satellite imagery starting to affect southern portions of the Dominican Republic and Haiti, even out to portions of Puerto Rico. We're going to see the rainfall increase across portions of Jamaica as we go through the next couple of days. The forecast for the system has not changed a whole lot. We are expecting just a very slow northward motion over the next 2 to 3 days, and then perhaps more of a slightly faster westward motion, but still a lot of uncertainty here. But the most likely scenario has Melissa remaining here over the central Caribbean Sea all the way through the weekend, even into early next week as we get from Sunday into Monday. We have a hurricane watch still in effect for the southwestern peninsula of Haiti from Port-au-Prince around to the southern border with the Dominican Republic. Tropical storm watch in effect for the entire island of Jamaica. So those areas we need to continue to monitor the progress of Melissa. In terms of the intensity, we're expecting only gradual strengthening over the next couple of days, but the environment unfortunately does look favorable for Melissa to become a hurricane over the weekend, and forecasting now a major hurricane by early next week, generally here in the central Caribbean Sea. But we could see significant impacts from rainfall, or expecting significant impacts from rainfall across portions of southern Haiti, southern Dominican Republic, eastern Jamaica, regardless of the exact track of the center. Obviously, if we do end up with a major hurricane, there could be significant impacts from storm surge, high winds near where the core of that system might move as we get into the early portions of next week, so that will bear watching. In terms of the rainfall, we're still expecting very significant flash flooding and landslides possible across southern portions of Haiti, the Dominican Republic, and eastern Jamaica, where we're expecting to see 5 to 10 inches of rainfall in those areas through Saturday, with the potential for additional rainfall beyond that time. We're also expecting 2 to 4 inches of rain across northern portions of Haiti, northern Dominican Republic, and Puerto Rico, perhaps, as well as western Jamaica through Saturday as well. A reminder that rainfall and the flooding due to it and landslides are often the largest fatality maker for tropical storms and hurricanes in the Caribbean. So that rainfall threat is very, very serious. So wrapping up here with the key messages on this Wednesday morning for Melissa, is expected to produce heavy rainfall across portions of the Dominican Republic and Haiti and Jamaica through the weekend, with the risk for significant flash flooding and landslides. Hurricane conditions possible within the southwestern peninsula of Haiti and that watch area. Tropical storm conditions are possible in Jamaica. Preparations in those areas to protect life and property should be rushed to completion by Thursday. And again, there's a lot of uncertainty with the slow motion in the track and the eventual intensity of Melissa as it moves across the Caribbean. Interest all across the central Caribbean, elsewhere in Hispaniola and Cuba, should continue to monitor the latest forecasts and updates on Melissa. So when you do that, you can come back here at the National Hurricane Center to Hurricanes.gov. We'll have a new forecast out every 6 hours. Interest in the Caribbean should refer to products from their local meteorological service as well. Thanks for joining us. I'm Mike Brennan at the National Hurricane Center.